up, guys? Welcome to my channel again. This is King Tech Hub. Today, I'd like to introduce to you the amazing Apple iPhone 14 Plus. This phone was released in 2022, and then it was in October, as you witnessed. And many of the people are saying this phone is good, some are saying it's bad. So we'll look at it in a nutshell, and then we'll break it down for you to use. If you like it, you buy it. There we have the camera, and then many of the people buy the phone because of the camera. And you know, the camera speaks a lot about it has the 12 megapixels camera with a 6 GB RAM. That is the light where you put your lightning cable to charge it. It has the speaker. The screen is a 6.7-inch screen with a battery of 4,323 milliamperes. And this phone is said by many, some say it's fast, some say it's not, but mind you, this phone is an iPhone 14 Plus with an iPhone 13 Pro Max chipset in it, and this phone can perform faster. Some say it's not, but to my understanding, I believe putting an XDR screen, an OLED XDR with Adobe Vision, with a 6.7-inch screen at 1284 by 2778 pixels. I think it is quite good, and the screen is not too, some say it's not too bright, but I think as 800 nits, I think it is great and it's good. The typing is fast, the keyboard is good. The whole build is a great build. The phone itself looks very big when you are holding it in your hand. Yeah, it looks very big. The major reason why some people, I think, they don't like it is because of the third camera it doesn't have. But mind you, that is why Apple has reduced the price to this point so that you can buy. It's running a 6 GB RAM, and I think it's great. It has an NVMe also. So over here you can customize and add widgets to your screen as your preference. Many people don't use these functions, but it's going to really help you. You can add the weather, the time. You can scroll through your apps, which one you want to remove. You can let only the app library work whilst you remove the home screens. And some say it speeds up the phone, but hey, this is Apple. They have their own silicon A-15 Bionic silicon chip in it. So, and then the body is glassy. You can have your airplane mode, Wi-Fi. You have your AirDrop. For me, I think the AirDrop is one of the fastest way to transfer files now. You can put your hotspot if you have your mobile hotspot, and then again it has Face ID, and then you can set up your Face ID also, and then you use it greatly, and it will not have any problem, or it will not generate any other problems for you. With the security, I think the Face ID is good. Some prefer this one, but it's okay. And then with your camera also, you can come to the camera settings, and you set up your camera like I have done. Everything to 4K. You can have your recorded video at 4K, 60 frames per second. You can set the slow-mo, the grade, everything. You mirror the phone to camera, and you will have a great picture. Those of you who buy the phone for great pictures, I think if you want something if you want a phone, you should buy something you like. You know, if it is for the battery, like this one, the screen time I had is like 2 hours 26 minutes, and then it's been on and working, playing a lot of YouTube, doing this, doing that, and the battery is still strong. And according to people, it is not too strong as it is written on paper, but to me it is a very strong battery. The phone has a nice chassis. The body is great, aluminum rails, and then it feels lighter, yet it is big. The glassy body, some says when it falls down it will break too early. And then when you look at the camera, the old case from the iPhone 13 is not fixing. Why? Because of the camera bumps. They've been raised and they are very big. So this is how the tone sounds. You can feel how the iPhone tone sounds. And short videos from the phone, This is a short video from the phone you can see, and then some pictures that I put together for you to see how the camera looks like. And then another video there you have. This is my first time reviewing this one. After some time I will bring you the follow-up of this video to see how the iPhone 14 Plus is performing these days, because on the screen the display with 60 hertz, some say it's not great, some say they should have had something like 120 hertz, looking at the sharpness and the bright size. And the camera also has no autofocus, so you cannot blame Apple, but that's why they're giving you varieties so that you can go to choose what you will like. These are some pictures and videos from the camera you can see.